Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford Escape. Stock number is A7364A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. Alloy wheels, looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back and four-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.